Hi friends, it's Dana here. Today I'm reading you a sweet little story called Tiny T-Rex and the Impossible Hug. It's about a little T-Rex who really wants to give his friend a hug, which you'll learn about. But he's having a hard time for kind of obvious reasons. So here we go. Let's read Tiny T-Rex and the Impossible Hug by Jonathan Stutzman and illustrated by J. Fleck. Here it goes. Hello, Pointy. Are you okay? No. Today I feel sad. I do not want to play. I have tiny arms. It is very difficult to hug with tiny arms. Each day I am growing taller, but my arms are still tiny. Hugging almost seems impossible for a Rex as tiny as me, but I will try anyway. Pointy needs me. Where is my father? I will ask him for advice. Hello, Father. Rexes are thinkers, not huggers. Perhaps instead of hugs, mathematics might be the answer to your problem. Happiness equals 8x plus 3y plus 2z. Pointy does not like math. Math will only make Pointy feel worse. Hello, Auntie Junip. I have a problem. I must learn how to hug, but my arms are too tiny. I have found that balance is the key to every problem. Balance and freshly squeezed cucumber juice. That is disgusting. I will ask my mother for help instead. I have fallen, and now I am lost. I do not think I will find my mother here. Oh, hello, Mother. It's okay if you can't hug, Tiny. You are good at many other things. You are kind and creative and braver than most. You are tiny, but your heart is big. I cannot hug with my heart, Mom. I must learn to hug with my arms. Hello, sister. Hello, brother. Please help me. Hugging is very difficult. We'd love to help, Tiny. To do the impossible, you must plan and practice. Practice, practice, practice. Thank you, Trixie and Rory. That is good advice. I will plan my strategy. I will get stronger. I will practice very hard. I will practice my hugs on everything. I will not practice on that anymore. I am almost ready. I will practice one more time. When I am done, I will find my friend. This tree is very big, like Pointy. I will hug it. This is not a tree. I have made a mistake. Please help. From up here, everything looks tiny like me. I could hug anything I wanted. Now I am falling. I should not have let go. Now I will never find Pointy. Hello, Pointy. Hello, Tiny. I'm here to make you feel better. I have practiced very hard and hugged many things. My arms are still tiny, but my hugs are still tiny, but I will do my best because you are my best friend. Thank you, Tiny. That was the biggest hug ever. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed that story and learned that hugs aren't about the size that you give, because I can give some pretty big hugs. It's about the love that are behind that beautiful little hug or big hug, whatever it is that you're giving. So go give some hugs today with lots of love behind them, and hopefully you can make your friends feel better if they need it. Okay, thanks for reading with me. Bye.